My name is Dele Ayemibo, and you're welcome to DBA TV, where we discuss everything international trade. And today I will be still talking about finding buyers. I started a while ago. You'll have seen a couple of videos on the YouTube channel on finding buyer. And today I'll be talking about something very important, and that is do this to get the attention of buyer abroad. Do this to get the attention of buyers abroad. What is this that you need to do in order to be able to get the attention of buyer abroad? In trying to find buyer, you need to promote. In being able to promote effectively, there are some things you can do that can stimulate the effectiveness of your promotional strategy. So what I want to say in this video today is, what are those things that you should consider to grab the attention of the buyer abroad? In your promotional strategy, remember to tell stories of your business social impact on your website. You know, some people are doing fantastic business. That's some fantastic business. You know, what they are doing is not just making them to help them to make money. They are adding a lot of value to a lot in the business value chain and their supply chain. And you know, in today's world, sustainability is key. UN have the Sustainable Development Goal, and they are looking for goal scorers. Goal scorers are individuals who are helping them to score the goals. Goals like reducing inequality, goals like reducing poverty, goals that engender gender equality, goals that help to build an egalitarian society, goals that help to create jobs, reduce unemployment, making food available and cheaper. In today's world, that sustainability has been given the front seat. The impact of your business in alleviating poverty of the less privileged people in the society who are operating in your supply chain could be a selling point. Let me tell you, there are some businesses that will work with you even if your product is more expensive. There are some businesses that will prefer to work with you simply because of sustainable development goal you are helping the world to achieve. Even though your price may be high, but your business is contributing. That's why if you buy some product abroad, they will write at the back, if you buy a sachet of this product, you are going to be giving so and so to so number of people somewhere, maybe in Africa, in Asia, in developing or underdeveloped or least developed world. And they will tell you what they are using their profits to do, or what they are using a percentage of what you are paying to do. And you can see the result of those things they are doing on their website. So you are into maybe cashew nut processing that is labor intensive, and you have a lot of women in your factory right there in the villages, and you're helping them to be able to meet their daily need, paying them salary to take care of themselves and their children, reducing poverty in that environment. Don't just sell that product like a regular product. Tell the stories. Tell the stories. Do a documentary. Do a documentary. Take camera to the farm gate, to the where the women are sorting, or to where they are cutting or opening up or shelling the cashew nut. Show the activities. Describe the stories around the product. Put it on your website. Put it on your Instagram page. Put it on YouTube. Put it on your Facebook page. You'll be shocked You'll be shocked. And people that get interested and put statement and comment on the packaging of your material, letting the people know this is what we stand for, this is what we do, this is the value we add, these are the people benefiting from us as a result of you buying. Like I said, some people are going to buy your product because of that. Some people are doing business with you because of that. Let it be a selling point. Some companies abroad are only interested in buying products from companies that have designed their supply chain, that have designed a supply chain that has a huge positive impact on the people in the environment where they operate. So therefore, the export company or the exporting company should not just engage in programs with high social impact. It also needs to update its website with stories on this impact. How many young people have been impacted? How many women have been impacted? How many people have benefited from all the activity of your business? That means you are not just running a business to make money, you are running a business for social impact. And you shouldn't keep quiet about it. Blow your trumpet. Let people know about it. You can never tell those that want to come and see if they can give you more capital to grow the volume of what you are doing, to be able to bring in more women or more youth or more people, to be able to reduce inequality, poverty in our environment. I believe strongly that through trade, we can help in achieving about 3 of the sustainable development goals: reduce poverty, reduce hunger, and reduce inequality in the society. I strongly believe we can achieve this with international trade. And if your business is already on the way to doing this, do not keep quiet about it. Make noise about it. Do documentaries about it. Put it on your website so that when you are prospecting for buyers, you can also let them know it's a business that is very responsible in protecting the environment, in creating a sustainable world. Has this video been of immense benefit to you? Are you going to implement what you are learning? If it has been of immense benefit to you, give us a thumbs up. If you have friends that must hear this, share with your friends. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. If you want to know when we upload new video, because we upload every day, please remember to click on the notification bell. My name remains Dela Yimibo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.